Hello everybody, my name is Oleg, I'm your Russian strict ballet teacher. Maybe not strict, I haven't decided yet. And today we are going to learn a combination together with me. Usually it will have 3 levels: beginner, medium and hard. And because it's my first video on this channel, we will take beginner level battement tendu. So our plan is, I will show you a combination, then we find most common mistake of every student, and after we will dance this combination together with music. I found this video extremely useful because the best way of learning is practicing. You can repeat everything by me, slowly learning and understand how ballet works. Sounds amazing, isn't it? Don't forget to follow this channel, follow my Instagram channel if you didn't follow it yet, and no more words. Let's start! Many people on Instagram ask me, what a weird studio, Oleg. Guys, it's not a studio, it's my apartment, and I really love it what I have a place for walking straight in my home. Okay, let's start. Battement tendu, beginner level, and we are starting from first position. For today, I'm decided to use it because it's much easier to improve your muscles and find the correct understanding. So we start as usual with preparation. Allonge to the side, close first position and open your arm together with your head to the side. So the first movement, tendu front and close. Tendu with plie and close. Here we speed up. One front, one side, one back, and then rapidly we are doing demi-plie, 1, 2. Accent almost up here. The same we will repeat and done. Tendu and close, with plie and close, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And for second part we are using flex to each direction. Tendu, slowly flex, point your foot maximum, close, side same, close, back same, close, side same, and in the end we point our foot doing a allonge and close our arm and leg together in the last position and last accent in our chin up. And let's clarify now all things what we should think about during this combination.
Almost every combination starts with preparation. Pay attention to the exact direction of the arm and do it soft. Battement tendu should be done with a firm connection to the floor and stretch your toes at the end of the movement. Each time when we open tendu in a new direction, we must turn our head. When opening to the front or back, the head turns to the side, and when the legs to the side, the head stays straight. During this combination, we almost don't change the position of the arm, so don't forget to keep the wrist held and lift the elbow so that it's not lower than the hand. In the moment when we do plie with tendu, don't forget to turn out the supporting knee. In the final part where we do flex, don't change the angle of the leg, work only with the foot. And we finish the combination with a beautiful allonge.
Yeah, there are a lot of things what you should think about during the movement. But it's fine, it's getting better with years, maybe few years. Okay, let's return to our combination right now. I'll show it with music. Start with preparation. First, open, tendu and close, with plie, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and back the same, with plie, and 1, and 2, and 3, 1, and flex, point, close, side, flex, point, close, back, flex, point, close, side, flex, point, allonge, close, and chin in the end. You forgot your chin, I'm sure. Okay, it was a test run. Right now we will try to do everything perfectly together with me. My teachers from Russia always said me like you should sell your movement, every step. I think it's a great idea because ballet is not just exact step. Opening front, opening side. It's connection between all the steps. So we should try to connect them and sell it more expensive than other dancers. Okay, last run with music. Let's do it. First position, preparation, and first, second, and 1, and close, with plie, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, back same, and with plie, and 1, and 2, and free and plie, and now slowly and point, close, improving, flex, point, close, back, flex, point, close, side, flex, allonge, close and chin in the end. I hope you enjoyed it, guys, and I hope you practiced it, because it's really great thing to make yourself better in ballet. If not, you always can rewatch the video, find something new. It's my first video here, so I'm really waiting for your likes, for your comments and share button. Send this video to your friends, to your parents, to your cat. And also, I uploaded full video of combination on Instagram, where you can find music from there. You can repeat it with me. You already know how to do it, right? And for everybody who recorded this video with sound from Instagram, I will leave a comment how you can do it better. Let me know what level and movement you want to see next time. It really helps me to understand what I should do next. And I'm Oleg, probably your strict ballet teacher from Russia, and I see you next time.